Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install another theme in your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen. Just log into your WordPress admin panel. Here we go. In the left panel you will find an option of appearance, and here you will find the theme. Just click the theme option. Here you will find all the available themes. If you want to activate this theme or this theme, just click the activation button. Now this theme is active. You can see here this theme is active. Let me show you how it looks like. You can see it looks like this. If you want to revert it, just click the previous one, activate the previous one. Now this theme has acted. Let me show you the result. You can see this previous version of your website. So the job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.